Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is M.A.C. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if this is your first time, thank you for watching. Like the title suggested, it's a M.A.C haul, review and giveaway. I have had this product for a while now, say like a couple of weeks now, and I decided, okay, instead of just, I've used them, I've tried them, tested them, so I can actually come and say, okay, this is what I think about them. I can review them, share my thoughts about each of the items that I got. And I wanted to give you, because I wanted this product to actually find new homes. You know, I'm tired of having products I just hoard. I'm a hoarder by the way, but I was tired of just keeping all these products to myself. I said, okay, you know what, let me give it food. Actually would appreciate. Let's find new homes. You know, so, and you know that M.A.C products are not they're affordable, but they are not cheap. So you have to do some little work before you can do it. So let's get into it. So M.A.C Cosmetic. It's actually owned by two brothers, Frank Angelo and Frank Tosca, and they were actually founded in Toronto, Canada. That was in 1984. Fast forward, it's 1998. It was bought over by a Essilor company, and now in 2018, 2017, they are in Ultra, they are in Sephora. You know, that's what's a major move. And how do I know all these things? That's because I had worked in M.A.C Cosmetics before. I worked in M.A.C Cosmetics for a while, and then I left. So I know a lot about M.A.C, and I can say for sure that M.A.C is a very, very good product. So let's get into it. So I got this goodie bag from M.A.C Cosmetics. The first thing I saw in it, I saw this cute little note, and this is what was written inside. This is what it looks like, you know. And then this was what was the message I got inside. It reads, can you see? Okay, so it says, hope you had a fun-filled day with us. Enjoy your product, M.A.C Cosmetics Nigeria. Oh, that's very thoughtful. So in the box I have all these products. So I'm going to take them one by one and tell you what I think, and I'll tell you which one. Start with the pencils. I got eyebrow pencils. So this is what it looks like. I'll do swatches as well, and then I will let you know which of the items I'm giving away and the ones I'm not going to give, because some of them I really like and I think, oh, I would keep to myself, so I'm giving it away. So I have 4 pencils here, you know. So this is what they look like. These ones are eyebrow pencils. I'm going to start with those. So this shade is Lingering. This shade is Lingering. That's what it looks like. So it's like the regular eyebrow pencil. It has 2 sides to it. It has this side, which is the pencil side, and it has this side, which is the eyebrow. I think this is like the standard way to make the eyebrow pencils now, because you know you can actually do it's a bit more functional with this. You have a pencil here, you have your eyebrow brush here, so you can do your eyebrow and you're good to go. So like me, I have my eyebrow already done, but still leaving it because I want to grow it out. So this shade Lingering actually is like this. So it is not my shade at all. So this is up for grabs. So if you know somebody with this shade, you can just, you know, can have it. Okay, makeup artist, you can actually work with this. Then I have another shade called Brunette. So this is the other shade called Brunette, and then the same thing, you know, I can't use it because it's too light. It would not even show my skin. So let me show you what we're trying to use on my brows. It's just, can you see, it's totally off, so it will not show. So I'm willing to give that away to somebody who needs it. So this is the new, I think this is the new way the pencil to come, the eyebrow pencil. So you have a retractable twist up side. So this is from what they had before, which couldn't be twisted or just static and use. But I love M.A.C Spike and Stop, by the way. They're like my favorite pencil. And then this is the spoolie. So this is it, pencil, spoolie. So these two are up for grabs. This one, this is the another pencil. This is gold and silver. This has the gold end, and the, oh my word, can you see? It's so creamy, just glides easily. That's the gold side, and then this is the silver side. So I'm gonna try that out. Can you see? Just shows, wow. So, but this is not all for grabs, so I'm keeping this. But I will show you the other ones that are all for grabs as well. So this pencil is called Habanero. So this pencil is called Habanero. So that's what the lip pencil looks like. So this is what it looks like. twist up. Wow, beautiful. So this is up for giveaway, habanero, and I'm going to just swatch. So can you see? Wow, and it's so pigmented. So you can actually use as a lipstick if you want to, you know. 3 lip glosses. This is M.A.C. I have the 3 lip glosses as well. So this is just a regular gloss. So if you want it, you know, I'll tell you how to wear it. It's just a regular gloss. But it's holographic, I think that's the word. It kind of like, you can see iridescent as well. You know, so that's what this one is. Like a topper, just to top the lipstick. Then I have this like a nudish shade. That's also up for giveaway. So just, I'm going to put the names below. So this is what this looks like. So this is not so, it's opaque, but it's also sheer. Like the texture is a gloss. It's not matte. So that's another one. And then this one is my favorite. This I'm not giving this one away. This is actually mine, but I want to see what it looks like. Oh, so this is. Can you see? So this is not up for giving. This is actually mine. I'm keeping this. So for these two, if you want it, you just mention the name below. This is Goldie Rock, and this is So Art. Then I have lipsticks as well. This is what they look like. Beautiful kitten. Okay, so this is the red. Gorgeous. This is red. So this is Crazy Lush. Crazy Lush. This is Crazy Lush. So this is what it looks like. It is not a matte lipstick. So let me swatch. It is, yeah, not a matte lipstick. It has a bit, I think it's a moisturizing lipstick. So it has a bit of creaminess to it. So, and then the red is a really bright red. Can you see? It's totally different from the one below. So this is also up for grabs if you want it. I'm willing to give that because I have a lot of red. Then I have this beautiful nude. Can you see? It's beautiful. So I'm gonna swatch it. So this is, can you see what it looks like? So this is like a very soft nude. It's also not a matte nude. It's not matte because it has this creamy texture to it as well. So if you want it as well, it's for giveaway. Then I have this. Oh my god, I love this. I love this. This is like my new fave now. This is the water weight concealer. You know, one of the things I like about it is because when I put it under my eye, it actually stays through. You just, once it dries, and then it doesn't crease. You know, when it's creamy, by the time you blink or you know your wrinkle line or laugh line just begins to crack. But with this one, doesn't do that. Just stays. Once it dries, and then you know. But one of the things I don't like about it is because it comes with a dropper. So that means I have to get a brush. You know, I have to work with a brush. But this dropper is not functional. You know, I can't put it all over my face because where I actually use this is just under my eye to brighten that my forehead, and that's about it. So I would have loved it came with a brush like applicator, but you know, it's so good, you know. So this is actually very good, and I'm not giving this away. Then I have this product. This is beautiful. This is a very beautiful casing. That's one of the things that there's with M.A.C. Their attention to detail is crazy. Can you see the way it looks? It looks very luxurious. So this is actually a blush dew, but this won't work for me, you know, because this is not my cover. So I'm willing to give this away. Blush dew. And I have this as well. This is eyeshadow. It's an eyeshadow palette. So the name is called Desert Ducks. So if you like it, just let me know. So these are the colors you have in there. This is actually this is a nude, but it has a bit of shimmer in it. This is also a pastel nude, and then this is sky blue, but it has a little bit of shimmer in it. This is a brown, and then but this is matte. It doesn't have any shimmer in it. So I'm just going to swatch so you can see what I'm talking about. Can you see the texture? Just a little bit, you know. Can you see the texture? That's all about it. Then this sky blue. Let's put a little bit here. Can you see? And that's without primer. And then this one here. Just put it. So that's what it looks like. So this palette is up for grabs. If you want it, just let me know. The name of the palette is Eyeshadow Ducks, Desert Ducks. So then I have this up as well. This is Extra Dimension Bronzer Powder Golden Rings. This is what it looks like. So this I'm not giving away. I have to have something to myself too. I'll just use this one, so don't bother. But it's a beautiful nude, yeah, bronzer, like a very soft bronzer that can actually, you know, give that very soft glow. That's what this is. But this one is not for you. Sorry, guys. Then I have skincare here as well. This actually isn't for giveaway either. This is a mask. I've used it before. I don't know if you check it on my Instagram page. I've used it before, and I actually like it because it's not your regular. It doesn't dry to it dries your face out, yeah, and takes out the dead layer, and then it's like very soft moisturized skin, so it doesn't dry you out and break you out. No, it doesn't. This is actually very, I would recommend this. So this is Reset and Revive. I've used it, you know, and then that's the mask. So this is what it looks like. I just need to show you. It comes with the tube, and then just a little, let me see. Okay, so that's it. So this is what it looks like. So it's a mask, and then when it dries white. It's not scented. So this is what it looks like. So I have this as well. I'm not giving this away either because I'm very big on skincare too. So I'm not going to give it to you. This is Strobe Body Lotion. I love this. I actually love this. Let me show you why. So this is my wrist without any strobe, and then this is me putting the strobe on my wrist. So can you see? Just watch it. Can you see? So see why I like it. It has this glow to it. Can you see? So, and then when you, it's actually moisturizing as well, you know. So this is it. So it gives you that very soft glow. Look at this is without, and then this is with. So you can see why I'm not giving it away, but I'm going to show you. That's why I wanted to show you what it looks like. So I put this, maybe like I have another one there. I put it on my neck. I put it on my shoulder, you know, and then I'm good to go, and I'm just glowing like a glow baby. But it doesn't have that oily stickiness. It just melts into your skin, and then it just perfectly moisturizes, and that's about it. So you don't have to be worried about it being sticky and messy and all that. No, it's not. So you can see this is without any, and then this is with. You can see the soft glow. So I'm not giving this away. This is the M.A.C Strobe Lotion. You can ask, or you can buy yours from M.A.C here, which is the M.A.C Jeremy Scott Cheeky Volume 1 Mixtape. I love this packaging. You know, I'm very drawn to packages. That's one of the things that makes me buy products. You know, when I see the package and I like it, like, oh my god, let me see. You know, so that's one of the reasons why I buy some products that I have, not necessarily because of the way they work, but because of the packaging. I love packaging. I'm a sucker for good packaging. So this M.A.C Jeremy Scott Cheeky Volume Mixtape came like a CD, you know, and then I love the concept that, you know, look at the musical CD, but it's not the regular CD. So this is what it looks like inside. Ta-da! So it's a blush. So, but this will not work for me. I'm looking for somebody else who I can give it to, a light-skinned person, preferably, because the colors here, as you can see, are not going to show on my own skin. So I'm willing to give this out to somebody. So if you want to, just put your name and tell me, oh, you want the Cheeky Volume Mixtape. I didn't use it. It's new. So then I have another. Oh, who remembers this cassette? It was this cassette is very old school. I know some people can't even, some of you can't even, you know, figure it out. This is old school. So this is what they have done. They have this in bumping jam M.A.C, you know. So this is what they have. So I love the packaging as well. And then in it you have lipsticks, you know. So and then you have some of the names of the lipstick you have is Violetta, Morange, Happy Staying, Living in Stereo, Breathing Fire. So that's what you have, you know. So this I'm willing to also give away because I already have some of this lipstick here in tubes, so it doesn't make any sense for me to hold on to this one. So if you really like this, cassettes, you could just tell me, oh, It's called Future Emotion, so you can just ask for it and win it. So how do we now do the giveaway? After showing all the various products we have there, how do we now do the giveaway? So what I thought to myself is, okay, so you go to the comment section and then you drop a comment there to say, oh, I want this particular product. Say for instance, now you want the lipstick. Okay, so you tell me, I'm going to leave the description of this product in the description box on this under this post. So I will describe it to me. So I want this particular nude lipstick in gold casing, and that's about it. You just get 3 people, 1, 2, 3, just 3 people to subscribe to this channel, one, and then they must also tell me that, oh, I want, what's your name? Maybe your name is Jane, for instance. I want Jane to win this lipstick. So the first person that have their 3 people complete gets to win it. So if you're, for instance, now I'm Jane and I come here under the comment section say I want this lipstick, and then I have my 3 people saying, oh, Jane deserves this lipstick, and then the 3 of them have already actually subscribed to the channel, and then you win it. So I don't think that's too much tax to ask you guys to do for me. You know, these things don't come cheap, so I'm just willing to find good homes for them. So this is your chance of owning a M.A.C product as well. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for your comments and your support. I always read your comments if you don't know, and I'm always very happy to read from you. So if there's anything you want me to talk about on the next post or post or whatever, just let me know, leave it down in the comment section, and I promise to get back to you on that. Bye guys.